Now let's move on. Rex Trueform Clothing. And Rex Trueform, if I can quickly look at this, was founded by Bernard Sharp in Cape Town and owns Queenspark and JCrew branded outlets, which are located in South Africa, Botswana, and Namibia. Now, Rex Trueform has two classes of stock and a combined market capitalization of 350 million rand, price to earnings ratio 15, dividend yield 2.8%. What story would you be looking for here?
Number of stories. It's a highly untradable stock controlled by a thing called African and Overseas Corporation by the Shub family. Very, very difficult to trade in. For many years constrained by what it could do because it manufactured goods for other retailers. And then, of course, it did Queenspark, which has actually been not a bad performer, doing classical type of cuts. The actual manufacturing side of it, correct me if I'm wrong, Paul, but I don't think it's anywhere near as big or as good as it used to be in Salt River there. So Shadow, its former self, used to be a great company. I remember back in the 1970s in Scotland I had a Rex Trueform rather natty green corduroy jacket, and it was awfully well made, I tell you. It was beautiful stuff.
Do you still have one?
Oh, no, afraid long gone, long gone. But they used to make really, really good stuff.
Yeah.
And I still think they do. It's good quality stuff.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, I think we're living in the modern era now. It's difficult to compete.
Yeah, Paul, give me a story here.
Yes, look, Bernard Sharp, the founder, used to be the sort of dressmaker and suit maker to the elites of Cape Town at the turn of the last century. But it is a shadow of its former self. The fact is, though, when you get these companies that are owned and controlled by families through pyramid structures, it rapidly loses interest for public shareholders because it declares dividends when they feel like extracting some money. It's very illiquid, it doesn't trade much, it's a kind of waste of time really, and even the pyramid thing with African overseas shares doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Yes, Queenspark isn't too bad, but the results have been poor, so I really think we can stop talking about it.
Are you criticizing the Ackermans?
No, the Ackermans are fine. There you've got adequate, shareholding outside of the family control.
Yeah, but
still, they could do better. But no, this one, it's not hot for me.
Absolutely. Okay, so let's go here. Chris, hot or not for you?
Still very much in the cooler.
Yeah, this is much in the cooler. It's not moving anywhere. Paul, I'm guessing you've got the same answer here.